If an elected official or public employee uses their position for personal gain, should they be facing criminal ethics charges?
4 high-profile former elected officials are asking the state Supreme Court today to throw out those charges in their cases, calling the law vague. News 13's Stephanie Chavez has the details.
I think we've got to decide whether there's a criminal act or whether the legislature intended it.
In a hearing today, the Supreme Court justices tried to settle a lingering question. Is the law for an ethics charge written so loosely that it shouldn't be used as a criminal statute? The attorney for disgraced former Tax and Rev Secretary Demesia Padilla says the law falls short, reading merely as a set of guidelines for how public officials should behave.
They scream more than ambiguity. They scream vagueness. There are no standards. There are no definitions.
Padilla used her role to suppress an investigation that would have exposed her crimes of embezzlement. She, along with 3 others, are fighting looming ethics charges, including former Doña Ana County Treasurer David Gutierrez, who's accused of pursuing a relationship with an employee. Former 6th Judicial District Attorney Francesca Estevez, she's suspected of trying to intimidate officers investigating her for using a state-owned vehicle. And former San Juan County Magistrate Judge Connie Lee Johnston, accused of secretly recording people inside the courthouse.
The state is asking this court to give life to its Frankenstein criminal mashup scheme. And in doing so, it's asking this court to accept its misleading misdirection.
The Attorney General argues the law that states public employees shall not use their power for personal benefit is perfectly clear.
It serves the purpose of expressing the intention of the legislature for this legislation to preserve public confidence in government.
Stephanie Chavez, KRQE News 13.
The justices did not say when we can expect a ruling on the ethics charge, which carries up to a year and a half behind bars. A rejection of the law would not affect Demesia Padilla's theft convictions.